How to request order status help in Grubhub. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you can open Gmail and there you'll find the mail of your order, and there you'll find the restaurant's number you can call. Or open the Grubhub app. In the Grubhub app, scroll through the restaurants and select the restaurant you order from. After you're in the profile of the restaurant, you'll find I with a circle at the top. Click on it. Here you'll find phone number of that store. Simply call this number directly and request your order status. And in this way, you can simply call other restaurants that you're having issues with. And this is our request order status help in Grubhub. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.